Wind chill temperatures feels like readings down near zero first thing this morning, and it is going to be a cold day on the way with a brisk northwesterly wind gusting over 20 to 25 miles an hour into the afternoon. Highs today in the teens to lower 20s, but obviously despite sunshine, it's just not going to feel like that through the afternoon. The wind will lighten with fair skies this evening, then clouds start to increase ahead of our next system overnight. That system right now looks like a combination of some light rain and light snow. Could make for a slippery evening commute tomorrow, and then a quiet but chilly weekend is on the way for us. So some very cold air continuing to make its way into place today. You're talking wind chill readings likely in the single digits throughout the afternoon. And then tomorrow, kind of a combination of some light snow for many, mixing with some light rain in southern New Hampshire. And again, we're looking for roadways to be a bit slippery during the afternoon or the evening commute tomorrow before that system pulls away tomorrow night. Some good timing for the weekend. Temperatures both days between 25 and 30 with at least partial sunshine both days. And then the next system arriving Sunday evening and early Monday. So again, these are your high temperatures today. Of course, if you're outdoors, you want to dress for about 10, 12 degrees colder than this for your high temperatures this afternoon, mainly because we will have a brisk northwesterly wind gusting over 20 miles an hour. That lightens tonight with fair skies, then clouds start to fill in overnight and first thing tomorrow morning. Combination of some light rain and light snow tomorrow afternoon and ending as some light snow tomorrow night. And again, good timing for the weekend. A lot of sunshine, a breeze out of the northwest on Saturday, and then a gradual increase in clouds Sunday as the next system starts to move in. That one right now looks like another quick hit of some light snow Sunday night and early Monday. So your feels like readings near or just below zero this morning, and then in the single digits as we go through the afternoon. Some improvement thereafter heading into the weekend. As far as the chance of snowfall for tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow night, limiting factor for southern areas will likely be some mixing with some rainfall at times, with highs mostly in the 30s. And again, this is a light snow that falls across a decent part of the state, and the best chance of any sort of slippery travel will likely be during the afternoon and into the evening commute and during the evening before this wraps up overnight. 7-day forecast has the colder air making its way back in for the weekend. Highs between 25 and 30 both days.